This is the FitLife Flexible Metal Garden Hose. It's a 50-foot lightweight stainless steel water hose with a solid fittings and spray nozzle that is leak-proof, kink-free, and anti-rust. Now, you don't need to worry about replacing hoses every year. The FitLife Metal Garden Hose is made of heavy-duty industrial-grade 304 stainless steel. It's sturdy enough to protect the inner tube from punctures, not fragile like the expandable hoses, and it offers premium durability and ensures the hose will not rust, corrode, scuff, leak, or tear, ensuring for a longer service lifespan. It's flexible without kinks. Save your energy when releasing kinks with minimum effort. Both ends of the hose are equipped with newly designed connectors. They allow the inner tube to stay in place no matter how you pull, preventing the inner tube from breaking from constant twisting. Also, it will not tangle or twist like the conventional rubber or vinyl hoses. It's easier to store, suitable for hose hangers and the hose holder or hose reels. One versatile nozzle fits all. You'll be pleasantly amazed at the functioning choice of the 8 patterns. Upgraded integrated design prevents leakage from cracks like other nozzles. Ergonomic thumb control allows you to control the water flow from 0 to maximum, and you can use full, flat, shower, cone, jet, soaker, angle, and mist. Just simply rotate the bezel and you can change the pattern to meet your needs.